I'm going to show you how you can use the asciichartpy library to make easy plots with minimum effort. You can install this library inside your Python notebook, or it's mostly recommended to just install it in your Python environment. The first thing to do is to basically import the asciichartpy as ASCII and then create a sample list of prices which we will use as our data. So you can create a variable called prices, and inside this variable just create a list of random values. Next, we can generate our ASCII chart from our data. We can create a variable called chart and then call the plot model on ASCII and then pass in our data or our price data. You can print our daily prices as well as our charts. So this is one of the many ways you can use this library.